How to remove WhatsApp number from Facebook page. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To remove the WhatsApp number from the Facebook page, start off by launching your Facebook application in your device. Now over here, if you are not logged in yet, make sure to log in. In your top right corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on the given option. Once you are in here, click on your profile from the menu section. Right here, you will see the three-dot icon next to advertise. You need to click on here. There you will see edit action button. Tap on this given option. Here you will see the remove button next to your send WhatsApp message. You need to tap on remove. Once you do so, now the number of your WhatsApp will be removed from your Facebook page. Give it a quick refresh, and if you scroll down, as you can see, the number has been removed. For some reason, if you cannot do this, then firstly check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a better network connection. Next step, press and hold onto your app and head to app info. Then tap on force stop and OK. Then head to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. That's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.